Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Volkswagen Atlas with its physical key. This is a crucial skill, especially if your key fob battery runs out unexpectedly. We'll go through the exact process, ensuring you can always get your vehicle running. It's a straightforward procedure once you know the steps, and it can save you a lot of hassle. Let's get started and make sure you're prepared for any situation. First, let's access the physical key itself. On your Volkswagen Atlas key fob, look for a small, often silver, release button. Press this button firmly and then gently pull on the end of the fob. A metal key will slide out. This is your emergency key, and it's designed to work even when the electronic functions of your fob are not. Keep it handy for the next steps. Now that you have the physical key, let's unlock the door. On the driver's side door handle, you'll find a small cap on the end. This cap often blends in, but it's there. Carefully pry it off using the tip of your physical key or a small flat tool. Once removed, you'll see the traditional keyhole. Insert your physical key and turn it to unlock the door, gaining entry to your Atlas. Finally, to start the engine, even with a dead fob battery, there's a specific spot. Inside your Atlas, look for a small key symbol, often on the steering column or directly next to the push-button Start. Hold your entire key fob, not just the physical key, directly against this symbol. While holding it there, press the engine start button as you normally would. This allows the vehicle to read the fob's transponder, even without battery power, and start the engine.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.